Morning, two meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning. We have a stationary boundary that's kind of hovering across the area this morning. You can kind of see that right in there, and that is separating some mild 50s to near 60 out ahead of it, with some cooler 40s and 30s to the north. Just as right before I started recording this here, shortly after 7 o'clock, we've seen some developing rain and isolated thunderstorms right in here in west central Holt County, and moving towards the Stewart, Atkinson, O'Neill area. That's the only activity we have right now, and despite it being chilly up there, there is actually some thunder and lightning. Well, as we head through our day today, slight chance of rain and thunderstorms, a little bit better chance later this afternoon, again with this front in the area, and then even into the evening, maybe a little bit better chance. That said, I think this is going to be very hit or miss. And this does not mean that for sure that Hastings and Blue Hill are going to get rain tonight. This just means that somebody somewhere might have a chance of rain and thunderstorms. There's a small chance of severe weather, but our focus will then late night turn to the west, right here. Watch what happens late night as showers and thunderstorms, a little more widespread, push into western Nebraska and then into the sandhills of Nebraska, and there's going to be a better chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms. For the rest of us, cloudy, mild, southeasterly winds, which will keep those temperatures mild, and a low-end chance of rain and thunderstorms heading into tomorrow morning. Going into tomorrow, we've got those showers and thunderstorms pushing across northern Nebraska. I wouldn't rule out a little strong to severe thunderstorm activity with that line right there, even in the morning hours. Damaging wind gusts would be your biggest threat with that Boeing line right in there. So, back this up a little bit. That's a pretty pronounced line right there. So, can't rule out some strong wind gusts out ahead of the system. A smaller chance of rain and thunderstorms farther to the south. You've got the warm sector here, breezier southeast winds, and then cooler weather up here to the north. It's going to be kind of a wide range in temperatures. And as we get into the afternoon hours, chances of rain farther south are going to start to pick up. Look at this right here as we get later into the afternoon. So now we're starting to talk this is probably your best chance of rain and thunderstorms right in here. A little bit of a severe weather threat. Some rain, isolated thunderstorms farther north. Small little bit of a severe weather threat as well. But your best chance of severe weather is going to be right in here in the warm sector. You got the warm front right to the north of that. Low pressure right here. They'll call this kind of a triple point right in here. And this area right in here, we'll have to watch very closely tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening for the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms. We're also going to be looking at maybe some locally heavy rainfall. Let's push this into the evening hours and look at that. Oh, a sight for sore eyes. Look at all that rainfall. This is the best chance of rain most of us have had in quite some time. And yes, I know it comes with the chances of some severe weather. That's the downside, but it's the trade-off. We are going to be looking at some pockets of heavier rainfall. Still some severe weather possibilities. Kind of a messy situation when it comes to predicting the severe weather, but I still think the best chance will be right here in the warm sector to the southeast, in the southeast parts of the area there. As we get later into the night, there's midnight. Now we're starting to see the heavier rain and thunderstorms pushing east, eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, northwest Missouri. But there is going to be some wraparound moisture on the backside of this in the cool sector as chillier air starts to work in on the backside of the system. So rain and maybe some weak thunderstorms right in here as we continue into Saturday morning. Great news. The bad news is the wind is back. Northwest winds kicking in, and they are going to be nasty on Saturday. Not going to be nice at all. We'll keep the wraparound moisture going. Check this out. High wind watch in place for Saturday. For some of you, even Friday night, but for most of you, late Friday night, Saturday, and then through Saturday night when the winds will start to lighten up a little bit by Sunday morning. What does the high wind watch mean? Well, it basically means that there is a chance that these areas could see wind gusts of 55 miles per hour or greater. It is not going to be a nice day. I guess the only plus side is, hey, we should have some rain, and hopefully that means no dust and dirt flying around. But it is going to be a nasty day of winds on Saturday. Well, let's check out your risks of severe weather here. This is today, later this afternoon, and tonight. Now, first off, late this afternoon and this evening, kind of a low-end chance of a marginal risk there, that's that green, of a strong to severe thunderstorm. Damaging wind gusts, perhaps some large hail on a very isolated basis. But then later in the night, mostly post-midnight, we're going to be watching out west. Slight risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 risk here. And this is more of a damaging wind gust threat, large hail, a small isolated tornado threat. Not a great chance, but can't say a zero threat right in here for an isolated tornado. A little bit better chance we see severe weather on Friday afternoon and Friday night especially, but even Friday morning. I pointed out up north there, maybe those strong wind gusts in here. But then Friday afternoon into Friday evening, southeast areas have the best chance. A level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk. We're looking at the threat of some very large hail and isolated tornadoes that can't be ruled out in here if things set up right here. There's still a smaller chance of an isolated tornado threat in the yellow shaded area, plus some strong wind gusts. We also have a threat of some damaging wind gusts perhaps, but mostly hail and isolated tornadoes that can't be ruled out, and then continuing into the evening hours before that threat shifts eastward. Saturday, the threat will shift much farther to our east. At this point, nobody in our area has a chance of severe weather. That mostly looks like that will be off well to our east here. All right, on to our temperatures for today. Going to be a warm one this afternoon. 70s and low 80s might be the best weather day we see for a while. Tonight we have a mild night ahead of us. 50s for the most part, maybe upper 40s up north. And then your Friday, more of a wide range in temperatures out there. Still warm in the south with those breezy southeast winds. Cooler temperatures up north, so going from the upper 50s to the low 70s, or low 80s, from north to south on your Friday. Friday night, here comes that chillier air on the backside of that system. Lows in the 30s and 40s. And Saturday is going to be a very unpleasant day. Yes, we get more rain, and that's great news that there still is a chance of some lingering showers, but that also means with the extra clouds and the showers around, your temperature is going to be held down. Upper 40s, mid 40s up here to the north. 50s for most of us. Lower, some 60s as you get farther away from that rain chance. 60s here. But the big story, of course, not only the rain and the cool temperatures, very strong northwest winds throughout the day. Ooh, there's a big yawn. As we look at the long-range forecast, hopefully I'm not boring you. We have a lot going on, even beyond. So here's Saturday again. There's the rain chances continuing, the strong northwest winds, and then the rain lifts off to the northeast by Sunday morning, and it will be out of here. Sunday looks like a better day, still a little windy with that system still in the area. And then look at this. Monday, our next chance of rainfall, and this is the European model here, and it's going to be chilly as well on Monday, a very chilly day. In fact, cold enough there might be some snow out there to the west on Monday. This will then lift northeastward Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then maybe another round of some showers either Tuesday night or Wednesday, depending on the timing. That's where things get a little more iffy, but there is going to be another round of some moisture. The GFS forecast model, again, rain chances on Saturday, strong northwest winds, colder temperatures out there. Low pressure lifts off to the northeast. The rain chances start to clear out Saturday night. Sunday looks pretty decent, still a little windy, but then here comes our next chance of rain, and yes, maybe some snow to the west and northwest, but a lot of chilly showers out there on Monday, and then a break Tuesday, and then here comes another round Tuesday night into Wednesday. Once again, looking at that 7-day forecast real quick here, you see it. We see those increasing chances of rain for the end of the week. A nasty day on Saturday. Sunday a little nicer, still a little windy, but not as windy as the very strong winds on Saturday. A good chance of rain on Monday, and chilly temperatures only in the 40s, maybe cold enough for some snow out west. Tuesday a little bit better out there, than another chance of rain either Tuesday night or Wednesday. Better chance on Wednesday than Tuesday night. And temperatures still below average as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. In fact, we're probably going to stay mostly below average in the long range with those continued off and on chances of rain down the road. So after today and tomorrow, most of our days are going to be on the cooler side. A decent day on Sunday there. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Join me again tomorrow. I'll have all of the latest on the severe weather forecast and the rain chances as well. I'll be back with you then. Until then, enjoy your Thursday. Take care and God bless. Bye.